I'm seriously so excited for this video because we seriously have a lot to talk about. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. Semi-annual sale is almost here, you guys. Bath & Body Works decided to change their semi-annual start date to this Saturday, which is just crazy and insane. The reason why I think they ended up changing it is because they would have lost money this weekend, because nobody would shop like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because they would just want to wait for the sale on Monday. So they're like, you know what, we'll push the sale, we'll move the sale a little closer, we'll have it start on the weekend so then we can make our money. That is literally the only reason that I can think of, is because they would have lost money if they would have started on Monday. So, you know, that's just what I think. Anyways, you guys, as you guys could tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video, I'm giving you guys my tips and tricks for semi-annual sale and semi-annual sale shopping. You guys have been asking for this video and I'm finally filming it for you guys. I think I'm putting it out at a good time. Not too early, not late either. I think it's just perfect to watch this video right before semi-annual sale starts in a couple days, which is just crazy again. Like, I can't believe that semi-annual sale is almost here. But before we get on into this video, I did go into Bath & Body Works today and I exchanged two candles, one being that nasty candle from yesterday, the red, white, and blue cake. Seriously, do not buy that one. It's nasty, smells like vomit, not worth it. It was funny because when I went to go exchange it, there was this lady that was checking out and she wanted to smell the candle that I was returning, so she sniffed it, absolutely hated it as well, and her boyfriend slash husband hated it as well. Like, I don't know, it was just nasty. Like, it literally smells like throw up. I exchanged that one and I also exchanged the Blue Sky Breeze candle, I believe is what it's called. But I ended up exchanging those two candles for the brand new, or the returning fragrance, Pink Petal Tea Cake and the brand new Toasted Pineapple Marshmallow. Both of these candles are seriously just amazing. They smell so freaking good. I mentioned in like 2 videos back on like my S.A.S preview video that I'd never owned a Pink Petal Tea Cake candle, and I've always wanted one, and now I have it. And when I smelled it in stores, I was like, oh my goodness, this is definitely a candle that I'm gonna have to get backups in. Seriously, it smells so good. It's such a good sweet floral. This guy has notes of pink rose petals, pound cake, and vanilla glaze. And then the Toasted Pineapple Marshmallow has notes of fresh pineapple, milk chocolate, toasty marshmallows, and graham cracker. The milk chocolate in this guy isn't really present, but I do get like the tiniest bit in there. Maybe like 5 to 10% milk chocolate in there, but nothing crazy. Love the wax colors on this. I love the yellow, I love the pink. And something that I did notice on this collection is that the candles are $24.50, so they are cheaper than our other candles that we do have out right now. I just quickly wanted to share those candles that I picked up today. But anyways, you guys, without further ado, let's jump in right into this tips and tricks video. So I do have my little notebook right here. I wrote down a couple things that I just want to go over, just so I don't go off topic or forget anything. I thought it'd be smart to kind of just write everything down, some topics that I just want to talk about. Okay, so if this is your first Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale, definitely watch this video, and I also do recommend watching other creators' tips and tricks videos, because you're always going to learn something new from people. But to start off, for my tips and tricks, I want to talk about budgeting. Now, budgeting is something that I struggle with, very much so, especially when it comes to semi-annual sale. I remember last summer of 2021, I completely went wild. Literally the first day of S.A.S, I spent over $800. And it was just insane. Like, I just went crazy in the stores. I was just buying whatever I could, grabbing whatever I can, you know? And that is not the way to do it. This last winter semi-annual sale, I want to say I spent under $500, which still, that is a lot. It's a lot to me. It might not be a lot to you, which is totally fine. We're all gonna have different budgets, but I know for myself, I want to be strict this semi-annual sale and stick to the budget that I'm gonna set myself. And my budget is gonna be $200. That is all that I'm allowing myself to spend from the start till the end of semi-annual sale. So however I choose to spend that, whether I end up spending $200 the first day, or if I decided to split up the money for the weeks that semi-annual sale goes on for, that is just up to me. Definitely set yourself a budget. And remember, your budget does not need to be crazy. It doesn't need to be $200, $500, $1,000. You can get so many products, first of all, for literally as low as like $50. $50 will get you a lot at semi-annual sale, like a lot. That is gonna be tip number 1, set a budget. Moving on into tip number 2, I wrote down what you need. So basically what you want to do is go through your inventory, your Bath & Body Works inventory, and kind of figure out what you're kind of low on, what you're wanting. If you are low on like shower gels, so to say, maybe you want to pick up more shower gels and stock up on those. So definitely write down like a little list. I think that's super smart to do. If you're running low on shower gels or fine fragrance mist, or maybe you need more lotion, I think it's definitely good to go and check your Bath & Body Works inventory to see what you're low on. Moving on into tip number 3, I wrote down wish list. So when it comes to the wish list, we don't know exactly everything that's going to be at semi-annual sale because it just varies by stores. So that's why it's called a wish list, obviously. So I think a wish list is just so much fun to create. Maybe they don't even have that fragrance, but just creating it is so fun. So on my wish list specifically, it's not like any scent in particular, fall candles, and also just the home body collection. I want that body care collection so bad, and then any sort of like fall candles that I can get my hands on, I would just love. So that is what's on my wish list, as well as some sweet carrot cake candles because I love sweet carrot cake so much. Definitely create a wish list. So the 3 tips that I've shared so far, we have budgeting, we have taking inventory, and then creating a wish list. Once you've done all those things, semi-annual sale is here. You're gonna go in stores. What are you gonna do? You're overwhelmed. There's so much around, so much to look at. What do you do? So my number 1 thing that I recommend to everybody, and everybody out there, anybody that's watching this, and what I always do, I always check the 75% off bins. You don't know what's gonna be 75% off, 50% off, whatever, until you get to the store. So definitely start off by checking the 75% off tables / bins. I don't know if we're gonna just do tables this year, or if we're actually getting the old red bins. I feel like the red bins would be so fun and just so nostalgic, but I'm not sure on that. But definitely check off your 75% off. 75% off is going to be the cheapest that you can get anything in the store, so definitely take advantage from checking those tables out. After you're done with the 75% off, I don't really like recommend this, but if you want to, go ahead, check out the other tables, check out the 50% off, but just keep in mind 50% off isn't really a good deal at all. 50% off, especially when it comes to body care, is pretty much like buy 3 get 3, so it's not really like a good deal, especially when it comes to semi-annual sale. Semi-annual sale, everybody's just there for the really good deals. We want to get all the product for such a low price, and 75% off is where it's at. And also, another thing to keep in mind is that the product that's usually 50% off at the start of semi-annual sale is gonna eventually go off to 75% off by like the 2nd week, 3rd week of semi-annual sale. So you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. Like, if you really want something that's on the 50% off table, I mean, you could buy it and then like say a week later it drops to 75% off, take that product in store and just get it price adjusted. And remember, while you're at the store, stick to your budget. You don't have to go crazy the first day, because trust me, you're gonna be finding stuff a lot throughout the whole entire sale period. So kind of going into shopping and checking the 75% off tables, if you do have stores that are close to you, like within like, I don't know, like a 10-mile radius, I know I have like about, how many stores do I have? I think I have like about 4 Bath & Body Works that are really close to me that I can hit, that aren't too far away, so I can hit them all in one day. And if you are in that situation, or if you do want to check multiple locations, definitely do so, because stores are always going to have different products. They're going to have different leftovers from last sales, last season products, all that kind of stuff. So don't be afraid to check different stores. I'm definitely going to, because I don't know, I just think it's so much fun. And with semi-annual sale, you're always finding some hidden gems, which is just so much fun. Like, I'm always finding some fun, like one-of-a-kind candles, or just like a specific candle in general, or like an old body care item that just happens to pop up. I just think it's so much fun to check out different stores. And going along with stores, don't be afraid to call your store or multiple stores and asking them, hey, do you happen to have this product? Hey, is this on sale over there? Don't be afraid to call them. I'd rather you call the stores instead of driving all the way to a store and them not having what you're looking for. So it doesn't hurt to call them at all. So as many of you guys have heard, and as I've mentioned, semi-annual sale starts this Saturday, which, what date is that? It is gonna be Saturday, June 11th. So, June 11th, you guys, mark it in your calendars. Go that first day. If you're able to go the first day, go that first day, because that is when things are gonna be hot. Whether you go right at opening or right before they close, I definitely recommend checking out the first day. And once you're done with the first day, I also recommend, which this might be a little crazy, not really, because I do this and I actually was so bad the last two semi-annual sales. I was checking the stores at least like once a day. Like, I was going to every single store once a day, seeing if they had anything new or any sort of hidden gems pop up. I don't recommend you guys check Bath & Body Works every single day, but I do recommend you guys go in if you can, maybe like once or twice a week, and just kind of checking things out. You don't necessarily need to buy anything, but just to kind of look around and see if any sort of like hidden gems pop up, or again, if any like 50% off or $4.95 type of sales like go down to 75% off. I just think it's smart to do so. One more thing before we end the video. This is very crucial right now. Since Bath & Body Works decided to move that semi-annual sale date to Saturday, June 11th, that means our 4th of July coupons, or our first summer coupons that came out, that have like the firecracker pop on them, that expire the 13th, we're gonna be able to use those for S.A.S. If you got coupons, definitely use them, because it's gonna be so worth it, because they expire the 13th and this is just gonna be amazing. I am so excited. I'm gonna use them. I have a 20% off, so you know, we're gonna be saving some money. Okay guys, so those were all my little tips and tricks for you guys. Before I end the video, I quickly just wanted to share with you guys my little wish list for the semi-annual sale. I know a lot of you guys have asked me that as well, so kind of wanted to go over that. So I don't have anything too specific or anything like I'm set on buying, except for these few things, which is the Funfair collection, which includes the Bubblegum Pop Body Care, the Orange Vanilla Swirl, I believe is what it is, and then the Cinnamon Donut Swirl Body Care. That is what I want to get. I also want to get the Homebody collection, which was a test collection last year, I believe, and it's now being available to the whole entire public, which is nice. So I do want to get that collection. Sweet Carrot Cake candles, I definitely want to stock up on. I'm hearing rumors right now that the Sweet Carrot Cake / Easter candles are going to be either like 50% off or like $11.95. I hope they're gonna be 75% off, but we shall see. I'm also looking for some fall and winter candles. With fall coming up, which it being like the next season, which is just crazy, I just like to be stocked up on fall candles. I literally, like, fall is my favorite season, and fall candles are my favorite candles from Bath & Body Works, and it would just be nice to kind of be able to stock up on those, you know, because they're just great. And quickly before I forget, I actually made a little post on my YouTube like community tab, and I posted just letting you guys know that I was gonna make this video, and I also asked if you guys had any sort of questions, and I did get 2 questions on there, so I quickly just wanted to answer those for you guys. Okay, so the first question, are spring/summer wallflowers going to be on sale? So to answer your question, Cameron, you are gonna have wallflowers on sale. The specific wallflowers that are gonna be on sale, I'm not exactly sure of, but we are gonna have some spring and summer wallflowers on sale. I already know like limoncello is gonna be one of them. They have like the certain cute little packaging that always goes like 75% off. So yes, there are gonna be spring and summer wallflowers on sale. So that's definitely something good to look out for and stock up on. That's one thing that I forgot to write down. I desperately really need to stock up on wallflowers because I'm literally running low. I think I have maybe 10 left, so I definitely want to get a bunch of those. And then the other question that I got is from Brita. Or Brita? I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce your name, sorry. But she asked, I have some new candles like Sour Melon Drop, Honeysuckle Peach Spritzer, Sugared Lemon Zest, and another one. Can I exchange them for the new S.A.S. ones? Absolutely. If they are candles that are pretty much basically on the floor right now, like caramel cream soda, the Sour Melon Drop, and like buttery popcorn, why not exchange them? Like, you're fine. You are totally fine to exchange them, because my guess is that these candles are probably gonna eventually go on sale too. Don't quote me on that, but I think these are gonna go on sale for S.A.S. too. But I could be wrong, but I think they will. Alright you guys, so that is going to be everything for this S.A.S. tips and tricks video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys have any other questions that you guys want to ask me about semi-annual sale, you can definitely comment them down below and I will try my best to answer all of those for you guys. I'm just so excited for semi-annual sale and I can't wait to shop, and I can't wait to hear what you guys end up getting as well. Of course, I'm going to be doing a shop with me as well, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I just don't want this moment to end. Don't jump into that car tonight. I'm not leaving.